Dear viewers and my beloved learners, welcome back to Shohag's Online English Tutorial Facebook page once again. You know that I'm giving so valuable information for the development of your communication skills, and my students are performing a lot of dialogue for the development of you. And you have already seen how the students of marginal levels, how the students of pastoral areas or village areas can show very impressive and mind-blowing performance. And today my students will perform a nice dialogue, and for this reason I would like to request my students before you. And first I would like to request Polly to introduce herself before you. Polly, come and introduce.
Assalamualaikum. Hope you are funny and dandy by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I would like to introduce myself before you. I am Koli with you. I am a student of Falda SN Girls High School. I read in class 8. That's all about me.
Assalamualaikum. Hope you are funny and dandy by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself before you. This is Shami Akhtar with you. I am a student of Polda SN Girls High School. I read in class 8. That's all about me. Hello parents, how do you do?
Nice, thanks. And you?
I am fine too. Where are you going?
I am going to attend a seminar on illiteracy.
What is illiteracy?
Illiteracy is a curse. The people who do not read and write are called illiterate. It is similar to darkness.
How can we eradicate illiteracy?
Very nice question. We can remove it by ensuring primary and secondary education for all.
That's really a very nice topic. It should be eradicated within a short time. Is there role of government for that?
Sure, why not? The government should a very vital role encouraging the poorer class through financial support.
Okay, but I think that the old should be included in this system.
Of course.
Thank you, Koli, for giving me valuable information.
Welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.